In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable 5G on your OnePlus 13. So as long as you have a capable SIM card, and by capable I mean 5G capable. So all you have to do is go to settings. So swipe up and go to settings. Under settings, go to mobile network, tap on that, and then choose the SIM card you want to enable 5G for. So it's normally going to be the one you're using for internet. So just tap on any SIM card. And then under preferred network type, if you tap on that, if your SIM card is capable of 5G, you will see the option to enable 5G by selecting that. So basically what you're doing is you're telling your phone, or rather that SIM card, that as long as you're in an area that has 5G, then your phone should connect to 5G. And that's basically how to do that. That's how to enable 5G on your OnePlus 13. You might also want to go a step further and go to the mobile network settings page and scroll down and go to more settings, and then you should see the option for smart 5G, and you might want to turn that on, because when you turn it on, it automatically switches between 5G and 4G to reduce battery consumption. So having enabled 5G, it's also important to turn on smart 5G so that your phone, to conserve battery, uses AI to determine when it's best to connect to 5G and when it's best to just keep it at 4G. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like. It really does help the channel out. Possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.